This freehold attached row home with no maintenance fees is in an unbeatable location, and all the big ticket items have been updated. From the roof to the furnace to the central air conditioning to the flooring, lighting, and paint, 1078 Bur Oak Avenue is a turnkey opportunity to own a meticulously cared for, spacious family home with a double car garage, close to highly desired schools, parks, transit, shopping, nature trails, and more in the popular community of Wismar in Markham. Walking up the front steps to the covered front porch to shelter your guests, you're welcomed into a bright foyer with a front door with decorative glass insert for privacy and natural light, ceramic flooring, a double closet, and access to a powder room discreetly tucked away at the front of the house. The combined living and dining areas feature new laminate flooring, a cozy gas fireplace, and sunny south-facing windows with California shutters. This flexible space can function as a living and dining area or as an oversized space for the big screen TV and the whole family to relax. The large kitchen has sparkling white cabinets, tons of counter space, and lots of storage, updated lighting, and a huge eating area with a walkout to the backyard. A back entrance with mudroom, including a closet and convenient main floor laundry, are at the rear of the house, ensuring coats and boots have their own tidy space away from the main living areas. Moving upstairs on the upgraded hardwood staircase, there are 3 generously sized bedrooms on the upper level, all with brand new carpeting. The primary bedroom suite spans the back of the house with a walk-in closet, a big window overlooking the backyard, and a full ensuite bathroom including a soaker tub and a walk-in shower stall. The second and third bedrooms each have generous closet space. They share a full bathroom. The main bathroom on the second floor has an upgraded vanity with quartz countertop and undermount sink and a combination tub and shower stall. The basement has a huge rec room, perfect for kids, extended family, or a home office space, along with an unfinished area for storage, an updated furnace in 2015, water treatment system, and HEPA filter. The extra deep lot offers a covered back deck and a small back patio, plus a grassy play and garden area, perfect for kids, pets, or gardeners, leading to a double car garage. 1078 Bur Oak Avenue is located close to everything you could ever want or need. Watch your kids walk to school from the comfort of your living room, with highly desirable primary and secondary schools very close by. You're also walking distance to the local community center, shopping, groceries, parks, sports centers, and more. The commute is a breeze with a short walk to the Mount Joy GO station, transit is at your door, and you have easy 407 access. Weekends can be spent strolling Markham Main Street shops, cafes, and festivals, exploring nearby nature trails, or playing in the local parks and splash pads. This special home is waiting for a new family with room to grow. Call or text 416-888-5640, email info@walkerparker.ca, or visit walkerparker.ca to find out more.